Greetings and welcome to Youtique Bridal. I recently had the opportunity to be part of the One Registry collection at Sonoma Town & Country. I had a great time presenting my LUXE DIY Veil Kit and shared lots of laughter and excitement with the bow tie challenge. The Sonoma gentleman will be showing you how to tie the bow tie in this video. I also got to gather marriage tips for young couples. So I hope you enjoy!
Beautiful.
Oh my God. Good job, sweetheart. You got it. Now that's what it's supposed to look like.
Oh yeah? Okay. I got it close.
So, very good.
All right. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You got it. You got it. You got it. Oh. Good job. You got it.
But if you're anything like us, you had to keep on practicing.
Yeah.
Yay! You got it. So close!
Oh wow, I really did. Look, it's in the mirror.
You did! Okay! Oh my gosh. You got it. You got it.
Oh my god.
I'm going to... You get a veil kit. Congratulations!
Now you're telling me? I don't want to take the jacket off. Oh man. That was awesome.
Alright.
That was super fun.
Let me get a picture of you guys with the veil kit. So, congratulations!
Oh, I'm Bobby. This is Amy.
I'm
We're
Amy.
married for 28 years.
In
Always
my
remember,
opinion,
marriage tip.
Marriage tip.
Ladies
number
first.
Number one, patience. Have lots of patience and agree on most things. You know, and it's okay to disagree. You know, agree to disagree. It's always okay. You won't ever have the same opinion on things, but it's okay.
Mine is what might not be important to you, but important to the other person. Make sure it's always important to you. If the other person brings it up, listen and try not to fix it, but understand where it comes from. And then after that, you can work it out. And it might take one day, it might take 10 years, or it might take 28 years, because we're still working on stuff. But at the end, it's fun. And being married is really the happiest thing that a real man would ever want in his life to begin with. So I say real man because it takes a real man to understand that. Thank you.
Yeah. Love is great.
My name is Robin. I am a part-time sales associate at Sonoma. I've been married for 10 years as of January 2019. And I think the tip I'd give to people would be to take some time to develop your person, your likes, your dislikes, and understand who you are as a person so that when you unite with that special one and you will maybe go procreate, it'll be a perfect or possibly perfect world.
My name is Kathy, and I've been married 38 years. And I think the best thing I can think of to say is to keep a good sense of humor and don't sweat the small stuff.
It's a great one, thank you.
Is in the morning, Monday through Friday, when you wake up, spend like 15 minutes together. For us, it's actually after our devotional time, like he'll have his private time with either showers, Bible, or whatever.
Right.
But I always get more private time. But then we always have coffee, so it's a really big thing. He's like, it's like, because I'll say, would you want a cup of coffee? And he always says, only if I get to drink it with you.
Oh,
That's very sweet.
I like
Yes.
it.
Hi, my name is Alessandra. I've been together with the same person for 9.5 years. My tip is to feed.
She's got plenty of food there. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Start. So my name is Katina Wilhite, and we've been married. This is my husband Gordon, and we've been married for almost 23 years. And my marriage tip is to really be friends with one another and really build your relationship first, if you can, before bringing children into your relationship. It will make your relationship stronger, and you'll also be on one accord when dealing with your children.
Right. Well, I'm Gordon Wilhite, and my marriage tip is that marriage is 100% of each other. It's not a 50-50 proposition. No one contributes. Each person contributes 100%.
Hi guys, I'm Alessandra Miakashi. I've been married for 5 years, and I would say, given like the stage we're in with like a baby on the way and a 4-year-old, is trying to really, it's quality and not quantity, the amount of time that you spend with each other. So even if it's just like a dinner and, you know, my daughter's done and she goes to play, trying to cherish like those few moments that we have together and trying to really make that last.
Thank you to all the brides, grooms, married couples that came by to visit with me. And a special thanks to Williams Sonoma Town and Country, Alessandra, Katie, and Beth, and just a whole team for welcoming me. Well, I hope you have an extraordinary day.